This video is a continuation of the Easily Make These Interiors Enterable in Main World. I am working in meters as scene units. Select everything and the exterior and its doors. Isolate the objects with Alt-Q. Notice the frame rate jumps up drastically. Delete the interior entry box. Resolve the protruding walls by the door by axis, constraining them to the door's outer side. Delete the exterior door and entry box. Align the interior entry, not the door, to the exterior entry. Fix the front interior windows by moving them 0.22 in Y-axis. Move the windows on the side by 0.28 in X-axis. Select everything and export to IPL. In the IPL, change the door to gen_door int01 and to ID 1491. The incorrect IDs will be fixed automatically later in this video. Copy and move the door to 000 and clear out the rotations. Create a box around the door and name it door_call, and two spheres that intersects the right side of the door, which is the side that the player needs to hit for the door to open. I made them 0.42 in radius. Export collision. Export DFF. The door is meant to replace ID 1491. Set up the TXD by creating a copy of new_shop_door.txd from GTA3.img. It has no unused textures. End isolate. In Scene Explorer, click Layers. Select and isolate VGN build one new_col. Set as active layer. Unhide the DFF version and move to the collision. Untoggle Show Frozen in Gray and freeze it so it cannot be selected. Delete the collision primitives surrounding the exterior of the gym. Start boxing out the exterior using primitive boxes. You don't have to create individual boxes for the unused doors and such. Just create a few boxes to cover it all. Export exterior collision along with its primitive boxes. And isolate. Set ab_Vegas Gym main 2 _ col as active layer and isolate its contents. Unhide the DFF version and move it to the collision. Delete the 3 boxes at the front. Remove isolated vertices in the collision mesh. Axis constrain the floor vertices to the entrance. Create new boxes to cover the front. Creating from inside is a bit easier. Export interior collision along with its primitive objects. Export exterior DFF. Convert the IPL map to Lua map so that it can be loaded on MTA. Add the following code to the Lua script to remove original object and its LOD from map.